In southeast Victoria, a granite aggregate provider faced a winter challenge. Wet conditions left quarried material clinging to return belts, overwhelming existing belt cleaners. The rigid blade cleaners wore out quickly, struggling with sticky residue. This excess contact not only damaged the blades, but also harmed the belts. Enter the K-Spiromax cleaning and tracking roller. This innovative solution is suitable for all belt widths and reversing belts, and it remains unaffected by mechanical fasteners. The Quarry Manager, familiar with its benefits, chose it for its wear-resistant polyurethane spirals, which efficiently clean sticky carryback without damaging the belt. 4 years on, the K-Spiromax cleaning and tracking roller continues to impress. It effectively manages clogged material, providing reliable cleaning during wet weather. In drier months, it functions as a standard idler. Positioned over discharge chutes or collection hoppers, it clears excess material effortlessly, requiring no additional labour. K-Spiromax rollers remains a low-maintenance, durable solution for belt cleaning. Contact Kinder to learn more.